Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve TikTok addiction. To know how to fix or solve your TikTok addiction, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will click here in this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. You will find this sign of clear data. Don't click here because that can make errors on your app. And after all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.